In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book now and pay later in Agoda, giving you the flexibility to plan your travels without the immediate financial burden. Let's dive into this straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you've got all the details covered. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in Agoda in the search bar. Hit enter and head over to the official Agoda website. If you've got the Agoda app installed on your smartphone, feel free to launch that instead. Both platforms will give you access to the features we're going to explore. Now, once you're on the Agoda platform, it's important to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. An account is necessary because it allows Agoda to personalize your booking experience and securely handle your transactions. Logging in also means you can track your bookings and access any deals or offers sent your way. Next up, let's find your desired flight or accommodation. You can do this by entering your travel details in the search bar. Consider factors like destination, travel dates, and number of travelers, then hit the search button. Agoda will present you with a variety of options to choose from. Browse through the listings, and once you've found something that fits your budget and preferences, click on Book. This will guide you to the booking details page. Here's where things start to get exciting. After selecting your desired booking, you'll be taken to the checkout page. This is where everything starts to come together. Review your booking details to make sure everything is correct: your travel dates, guest information, and the specific room or seat preferences. On the checkout page, you'll see options for payment methods. Pay attention here, as this is where the Book Now, Pay Later option comes in. You'll want to choose your preferred payment method and select the monthly payment option with Bill Ease. Agoda partners with Bill Ease to offer flexible payment plans that allow you to spread your payments over time. This option is perfect for those wanting to manage their travel expenses more effectively. Follow the prompts and provide any requested information carefully. You may need to enter some personal or financial details, so make sure they're accurate to prevent any delays in processing. Submitting your information is the last step in securing your booking. Once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied, it's time to finalize your booking by clicking to submit your payment information. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification with all the necessary details of your booking, so keep an eye on your inbox. Congratulations, you've now successfully booked your travel on Agoda using the flexible payment option. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your trip is set and your payment schedule is convenient. And there you have it, a hassle-free way to book now and pay later on Agoda. Happy travels!